1 year ago, generations of hard work were destroyed in just a few hours when the Arcelanian Brothers carpet cleaning business went up in flames on Cleveland's east side. But tonight, Channel 3's Mike O'Mara has news that it is much, much brighter now.
This was the scene nearly 1 year ago. The Arcelanian Brothers sifting through the charred debris. Almost $1 million worth of delicate Oriental rugs ruined forever. The blaze lit up the Cleveland skyline. After 48 years in the same location, the future was bleak for the family and longtime employees.
I don't want to think of that night. That was the most horrible day of my life.
The huge flatbed rug washer was destroyed. The machinery not even made anymore. But today, that giant machine is back in operation. Craftsmen came out of retirement in Elkhart, Indiana, and put the gears and nozzles back into place. This was the ruined building last year, and this is the new location just 4 miles away on Miles Road.
I couldn't even put it into words what that felt like. I mean, I'm out of a job, you know.
That's what you thought.
But I cannot say enough about the gentlemen that employ me, especially Ted.
Led by oldest brother Ted, the operation is bigger and better than ever. The carpet drying room alone cost $250,000. The hand stitching to do those delicate rug repairs back in full swing.
I tell you, the next day everyone rallied together, and it was just forward, never looking back.
Next year, Arcelanian celebrates their 50th year in business, and now that everything's working full steam, well, they could easily do another 50.
Life is great. Everything's turned around, and it's a better story this year.
In Warrensville Heights, Mike O'Mara, Channel 3 News.
Remember, we were all struck last year after the fire at how much class that business showed, especially toward their employees. Talk about a family affair, though. There are now 11 members of the Arcelanian family at work in the carpet cleaning business, and most of the employees have been there for at least